Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin from Florals.com and today is my June How to Kill a Kit with Style kit share. Now this is a little bit different than my previous months and this is more of a different type of video. I wouldn't call it a kit share, it's more of a confession. Now I always ask you guys every month on my YouTube community tab what you guys want to see in my kits. This month I asked you what you want to see featured, 6x6 paper pads, mixed media, stitching, things like that. Previous months I've asked about themes, if you want to see summer or pastels, spring, summer, all sorts of different things. But today you guys pick 6x6 paper pads, so I thought I'd reveal the truth to you guys about how many 6x6 paper pads I own. So let's just get started. I have not counted them yet, so this will be a reveal with me as well, and I know this is not all of them. Things like Christmas, I have already made some kits that have some, but this is a start at least. And this includes 6x8 paper pads because I think those now belong in the mix. However, I don't have, I think I only have one 8x8 paper pad, so keep that in mind. But there's some. Sorry, I left my circles in there. I forgot about those. Let's just get a few more out, shall we? Just a few more. This also includes mat stacks, which I do own. Not many people own those, but I do. And this also includes my 1 4x4 stack. Since moving, I recently realized how much stuff I have. I did clean out a bunch of stuff before I moved. I have a big giveaway box, and then I gave a lot of things to local schools in the area since I didn't have a lot of time to, try to do a giveaway on here. But don't worry, giveaways are coming with fun, crafty things that I no longer think serve me a purpose, but could easily serve a purpose to someone else. But this is a majority, if not almost all, of my 6x6, 6x8 little paper pads. I know I have at least one more mat stack. I have an 8x8. I have two at least over there in another kit. Let's just say I have a lot, more than I should. So as the focus this month, this is all I'm going to be sharing with you guys. I want you guys to sound off in the comments about which paper pads you want to see me use most. Now obviously there's a lot here, so if you want to pick a few, that's fine. But if you guys want to see something specific, please let me know. I want to, see if you guys have this and you want to see me use it, please let me know. This is the month to ask for it. And as you guys also know, June's a little bit different on my channel. If you guys haven't watched yesterday's video about me announcing what's happening, the announcement of Summer of Stories 2019, definitely check that out. You don't want to miss out on the details of that and what you could have and what we could work on all summer long together. But let's get started into this. I'm going to start over here. Kathy Davis Journeys, number 1. Prima Hello Pastel, number 2. This one's pretty thin. Yours Truly by Pebbles, number 3. Garden Party by Pebbles, number 4. Lucky Charm by Dear Lizzie, number 5. Pink Paisley Outfitters, number 6. Cool Kid by Crate Paper, number 7. Mind you, these 3 are brand new. Golden Rod by One Canoe 2, another new one. Is that number 8? This is not going to work out very well. So that's 8. Simple Stories, Life Documented, 9. My Mind's Eye here is Happy. Is this even a paper pad at this point? 10. So that's 10. Let's make sure we set that aside. K Memories, Peace and Butterflies paper pad, 11. K Memories, Very Blessed paper pad, 12. Pretty Little Studios With All My Heart by Claudia, 13. I'm going to stick with the 6x6s for now. Pattern Happy Color Me, that's 14. DCWV Embossed White, 15. Brand New Heidi Swap Emerson Lane, 16. Is that right? 16. Brand New Pink Fresh Studio Case of the Blahs, 17. Maggie Holmes Carousel, 18. Didn't I just say 18? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, this is 18. These were gifted to me by Dolly. I'm just going to put them with this one. I think they're Paige Evans, but they'll go together. Pink Paisley Citrus Bliss, 19. 4. Okay, 19. Jen Hadfield Every Day, 20. We're going to move these to the side, so that's 20. Which again, this may not seem like a lot to you, or it might seem like a lot to you, but I've been scrapbooking for, what, half of my life, so this is just the beginning. Echo Park Summer Fun, 21. GCWV the Spring and Summer Cork Stack, 22. Studio Calico Card Kit May 2015, 23. DCWV Adhesive Matte Stack Pastels, 24. the DCWV glitter stack, the glitter sweet stack, 15, or not 15, 25. Doodlebug Patriotic Parade, 26. Ice Crystals by Craftsmith, 27. Bow Bunny Summer Mood Collection, 28. Right? Am I already wrong? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many times can I recount these? 28. Wisteria Paper Pad by Basic Gray, 29. Flora No. 1 by Echo Park, 30. Move these out of the way. Kathy Davis Ambrosia, 31. Kathy Davis Journeys, this is the blue and green one, 32. Move the random stuff for now. Colorbot Carnival, 33. A Dog's Tale, 34. And then I have, this probably is equivalent to one paper pad. These are just loose sheets from Swaps, 35. Now, I probably at least have 40. I will say that. So this is just, you know, a selection. Like I have this, let me grab this 8x8 just to show you guys. I have this one. Does anybody else remember this? When was this? Oh, this was so old, 2008 maybe. Really, really cute though. So there's another one. So at least 40, because I can see two more, yeah, 40, probably 45, including Christmas, other kits. It's just bad. Oh yeah, I have all those kits in there too. At least 40. We'll stop at that. But if you guys want to confess your numbers down below, I'd highly recommend it. And I'd love to know which ones you want to see me use, or if you want to just see me just use a plethora of them in unique ways, so you guys can just apply that to your own paper pads, you know, just mixing and matching shapes to create like a background piece or something of the sorts. Just let me know if you guys have any of these. Again, it might seem like a lot to some of you, and it might seem like very few to some of you, because there's so many different ways to scrapbook, and some people don't have any 6x6 paper pads, which I absolutely adore them. As a card maker and a scrapbooker, I find them very, very helpful for a lot of designs. And obviously I have some throwback stuff. I have some Basic Gray still, which is really sad. When's this from? 2008. Oh, so sad. This one's from 2014. That's not too bad, although it is falling apart. The Basic Gray stuff's probably the oldest one I own, unless these DCWV ones are older. Like I said, I have at least one more of these matte stacks. That's in a kit. This doesn't have a year on it. This is 2014. Yeah, there's some older stuff in here. There's patriotic stuff. We got a little bit of Christmas, some summer, some fall, some spring, some winter. I have it all right here, as you guys can tell. But that's going to be it. I just wanted to share with you guys this. I thought it would be a little bit more fun than me making kits, especially since, like I said, June's a little bit different thanks to my new launch of Summer of Stories 2019, which again, I hope you guys are excited about, because I certainly am. And I'll have that video linked down below in case you guys are interested. But since it's the start of the month, you know there's a ton of other great ladies doing their kit shares as well, who are doing actual kits. So if you guys want to see how they put their kits together, how they're sharing their kits, how they're storing their kits, I'll have them all linked down below so you guys can check them out, because you don't want to miss out on all the great ideas and options people have put together with their beautiful minds this month. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little bit of a giggle of a kit share, but I have to put all these away now. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.